Hello, good morning and welcome to this live Forex trading session. As usual, we're just going to go through the markets, look for trading opportunities, mainly looking at the Euro US dollar and the dollar Canadian dollar. And then afterwards, if you have any questions, comments or issues, we can go through that after we've gone through the markets. So let's kick off. We'll start off as usual, looking at the economic calendar. So looking at the economic calendar for today, today is Tuesday, the 21st of September. And as usual, my time zone is set to my time zone of GMT +2. So always make sure you set your own economic calendar to your own time zone, wherever you are. So we're going to look for reports of high importance that could affect the markets we're trading. And like I said, the ones we're looking at are the Euro US dollar and the dollar Canadian dollar. So looking at the calendar for today, let's have a look. And so far, there are no reports of high importance. So today, there are no reports of high importance, so we can start trading the market straight away. And there's also no public holidays in the UK or the USA, so we're fine to start trading straight away. But it's also good to look at the rest of the week. So we'll look at the next 7 days. So you can see tomorrow, the 22nd of September. Tomorrow is Wednesday, the 22nd. We can see that we have the Bank of Japan interest rate decision, so that will have a huge impact on currencies paired with the yen. So that's tomorrow, Wednesday. And the big one for the week, tomorrow evening, is the US Fed interest rate decision. So the US Fed interest rate decision is due out tomorrow. That's a report of huge significance. Would affect all global markets, commodities market, all currency pairs will be affected by this report tomorrow. That's a report of huge significance. And like I said, that's a major report for this week. So there's a high probability of the markets just trending sideways from today till tomorrow, up to that report. So in view of that report tomorrow evening, the US Fed interest rate decision, I will only have one live attempt at the market today, in view of this report coming out tomorrow, the US Fed interest rate decision. So again, that's why it's good to look at the rest of the week and know what is coming out the rest of the week. So that's tomorrow, Wednesday. So let's see, Thursday, the 23rd of September. So Thursday, we have again the Swiss National Bank interest rate decision. So basically the Switzerland interest rate decision that's coming out on Thursday, and obviously that would impact currencies paired with the Swiss franc. And then a big one again on Thursday is the Bank of England interest rate decision. And again, the UK being the financial capital of the world, that could have an impact on the global market. So that's coming out on Thursday, the Bank of England interest rate decision. And Friday, the 24th, we have the Japan inflation rate, and that's it for the week. So the big one, like I say, for the week is tomorrow, which is the US Fed interest rate decision. So we have to be careful trading today, and I'm only going to have one live attempt at the market for today. So although I can start trading straight away today, I'm only going to have one live attempt at the market. Again, don't forget to keep an eye on Market Watch, see what's going on with the global news. We have this issue with Evergrande. Evergrande is a Chinese property developer that's having financial issues and is beginning to affect the global market. So that could create some uncertainty in the market. So be careful about that. So let's go to the charts. So we'll start with the Euro US dollar. We'll start with the daily time frame D1. As you can see, the moving average is currently flat. The market is currently trending sideways. So I'm just watching for now and not placing any swing trades for now. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame, day trading. Now we can see the market is currently trending sideways between R1 and the pivot point. And you can see I already have my pending sell order just below the pivot point and my pending buy order just above R1. And like I said, I'll only be having one live attempt at the market today in view of the US Fed decision coming out tomorrow. So let's look at the dollar Canadian dollar. So looking at the dollar Canadian dollar, again, we'll start with the daily time frame. Looking at the moving average 100 for today. So the moving average 100 for today is 1.24748. So I'll just round that up to 1.2475. So I'm just going to adjust my pending sell order just below the moving average to 2 pips below that. So that'll be 1.2473. So I'll just modify that to 2473 with 100 pips stop loss to 573. So that's it for my swing trade for the dollar Canadian dollar. And just go to the 5-minute time frame for day trading. So you can see the market is currently trending down. So I now have a pending sell order just below S1. And since it's trending down and the moving average is also below the pivot point, I will now place a pending buy order just above the pivot. So the pivot point you can see is 1.28217. So I'll round that up to 1.2822. And then 2 pips above that will be 1.2824. So 1.2824. And a 20 pip stop loss will be 1.2804. And a 60 pips profit limit will be 1.2884. So that's it for the day trading. And again, I'm only going to have one live attempt at this market in view of the US Fed interest rate decision coming out tomorrow. So if the sell order is taken first, I'll delete the buy order. If the buy order is first taken first, I'll delete the sell order and just have one live attempt at the market. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, you can either raise your hand or send your question through the chat box.